Welcome to another tutorial for livepure.com. Today I'll be going over how to create, edit, and delete Autoships. To create a new Autoship, I can add the product to my Autoship by clicking this button. A list will pop up of all the existing Autoships on your account. You have the option to add the product to an existing Autoship, or you can create a new Autoship by adding the product to your Autoship cart. The Autoship cart is similar to a shopping cart. It's just holding all of the products that you have on your new Autoship that you'll be creating. I'm going to keep shopping and add a couple more items to my Autoship. When you're done adding products to your Autoship, click Autoship Cart. On the Autoship Cart page, you have the option to adjust your quantities, input your shipping address. You can change the shipping address to another address on your account. You can add a billing address that is different from your shipping address. Under payment details, you'll need to input a credit card that will be auto-charged every time your Autoship runs. Then select this to agree to the Autoship credit card auto-charge terms. Under order total, you have your total PV for the Autoship, the cost, and shipping methods. Under schedule, you can select the frequency. Right now we only have the option of every 4 weeks. You do have the option to adjust your next scheduled run date by selecting the date. When you're done setting up your Autoship, click Create Autoship. And you'll receive an email that your Autoship profile has been created. The system will redirect you to the My Autoship page under My Account. And your latest Autoship that's been created will be listed. If you need to edit that Autoship, you can click Edit. From this page, you can make all the changes that you need to your Autoship. Anytime you make changes, just click Save, and the system will instantly update your Autoship with the changes. You can also add products by clicking Add Products and going through the same process of adding products by clicking the Autoship button under each product. The Autoship that you're editing will be highlighted, and you can just click Add. To go back to your Autoship profile that you were editing, click Autoship Profile. You can see the product's been added. If I wanted to delete this Autoship, I can click Cancel Autoship, and the Autoship will be canceled. You can see the Autoship no longer exists under My Autoships. And you also get an Autoship cancellation email. You can also create a new Autoship from this page. You'll be taken to the Autoship cart first. On this page, you can click Shopping to add products to this Autoship. Do the same thing as before. Click Add to Autoship Cart because we don't have an existing new Autoship listed here. Keep adding to that Autoship and click Autoship Cart when you're done. And those products were added to the new Autoship that I created from My Autoships under my account. There are several ways to create a new Autoship. It's also really easy to edit existing Autoships and delete them. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.